This video will guide you through reviewing a content license agreement. Content License Agreement Review is a frequently requested service on the Contracts Council platform since both content creators and licensees want to understand the terms before signing. If you have received a content license agreement and need to review it, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We have also provided more information in the description, including how to find a lawyer. We will cover top considerations when reviewing a content license agreement, key terms to find and understand in your document, and cost to hire a lawyer for review. We have also added a link in the description below with information on legal fees. Now let's get started. Top considerations for content license agreements. Content license agreements are legally binding documents that outline the terms and conditions under which content is licensed from the creator to a licensee. Before diving into specific terms, here are some top considerations to keep in mind. Scope of license. Ensure the agreement clearly defines what content is being licensed, how it can be used, and any restrictions on its use. Compensation and royalties. Understand the payment terms, including upfront fees, royalties, and any minimum guarantees. Exclusivity. Determine whether the license is exclusive or non-exclusive. An exclusive license means no other parties can use the content in the specified manner. Compliance with laws. Ensure the agreement complies with relevant local, state, and federal laws, including intellectual property and contract laws. And consider hiring a lawyer. It is always recommended to hire a lawyer to help review a content license agreement. They can ensure the document is legally compliant, help you understand industry standard terms, and coach you on negotiations. We have added a link in the description to help you find one. Key terms to understand. Content license agreements contain many important terms that you should understand. Here are some key terms to look for. 1. Parties involved. Ensure that the names and details of both the licensor and licensee are correctly stated. Make sure the full legal names of the entities or individuals are used. 2. Scope of license. Review the section that specifies the content being licensed, including detailed descriptions, permitted uses, and any limitations on geographic area and time. 3. Compensation and royalties. Check the payment structure, including upfront fees, ongoing royalties, and any minimum guarantees. Make sure you understand how and when payments will be made. 4. Exclusivity. Understand whether the license is exclusive or non-exclusive. An exclusive license means no other parties can use the content in the specified manner. 5. Term and termination. Review the duration of the agreement and the conditions under which either party can terminate it, including notice periods and any termination fees. 6. Quality control and compliance. Ensure there are terms addressing quality control standards and compliance with the licensor's guidelines. 7. Intellectual property rights. Understand the ownership and usage rights of the content during and after the term of the agreement. 8. Dispute resolution. Review the methods for resolving disputes related to the agreement, such as mediation, arbitration, or court litigation. And 9. Confidentiality. Check for clauses that protect confidential information shared between the licensor and licensee. Average cost to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer to review your content license agreement is advisable. Contracts Council's marketplace allows you to post your project and receive competitive bids from lawyers to compare. Based on recent data, the average cost to review a content license agreement is $560 on a flat fee basis. This is based on recent projects from across various U.S. states. Legal fees can vary based on the following factors. State or location. Lawyer fees may vary based on where they are located. For example, a lawyer in New York City will likely have a higher rate than a lawyer in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Length of contract. Given lawyers traditionally bill by the hour, a longer contract with more pages will require more of their time, which can make the legal costs higher. Complexity of terms. If there are complicated terms in the agreement, it can increase legal fees since it will require the lawyer to spend more time working on the project. And service required. You can hire lawyers for different services. If you simply need the contract reviewed and explained, this will be a lower fee than also meeting the contract redlined and negotiated. Reviewing a content license agreement is crucial in ensuring you understand all the terms of the license and protecting your rights accordingly. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Counsel or visit contractscounsel.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.